Hi, it's your girl Hunchovb VB back with another video. I had a taste for some potatoes tonight, and I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to cut these potatoes up, and we're going to make some ranch garlic potatoes in the Ninja Foodie. So let's get started. We're going to have some potatoes. I'm going to use this 21 seasoning salute. I have some minced garlic. Going to use the ranch seasoning and some avocado oil. So I've washed these potatoes. Let me get them all cut up and in the bowl. Be right back. I cut up my potatoes and I'm going to spray some oil in the bowl. Okay. I'm going to use a heaping tablespoon of the ranch dressing seasoning. Sprinkle some of the 21 seasonings. And let's top it off with some garlic. Let's give this a mix. They smell so good already. Okay, let's get it over into the Ninja Foodie basket. Okay, I got the potatoes over into the Ninja Foodie basket. And I did preheat my Ninja Foodie for about 4 minutes. Okay, close the lid. Let's cut it on. I'm going to do bake roast. I'm setting the temperature to 400. I'm going to do 18 minutes. It may not take that long. I'll come back and check it in 10. Okay. Be right back. So this is what we're looking like after 18 minutes. Well browned. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Let's give it a taste. I'm going to add some toppings. Be right back. Okay guys, this is what we're looking like. I put on some cheese, sour cream, and some scallion. And you know, I'm the type of person, I like to make sure my food is well done. So if you don't want your potatoes as brown as mine, just reduce the cook time. Remember, make it your own. Let's taste this. Yes, indeedy. These are good. You see, I got a nice burger there waiting for me. Hi there. Okay, guys. This is a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for joining me in my kitchen. So until next time, Hunchovb VB is out. See you real soon. Peace.